Hey guys, I have another box from Ikea that I'm going to be opening. At this point, I pretty much have all the supply stuff I need. This should be fun stuff. But before I get into that, look what just came as well. Outlet. So I can finally, hopefully today or tomorrow, wire this up and have full power and be able to run my AC and make sure everything's working. Next week, I'm actually going to take my first little mini trip. I'm going to park on the other side of our racetrack and just make sure everything's working. So that'll be fun. All right, let's see what's in here. All right. First up, we have a hand towel for the bathroom. Ooh. A couple knives. I didn't get a full knife set because I don't really know how much I'm actually going to be cooking. So I got just 2 little knives. A silverware drawer. I think this is wider than my drawer, but if not, it's plastic, so I can just cut like a section off. We have a dishwashing brush, real exciting. Some utensils. I opted for plastic because they're Teflon safe for non-stick pans. And also these, I don't know if it says on here, I can't see. These are rated for like 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so I don't have to worry about them melting. What else is in here? Silverware, cheap silverware. Just something to get us going on the road. Okay, these were plates and bowls, cute little pastels. They were cheap and they're plastic. I don't want to have ceramic stuff if I can help it. Just safer while traveling. So that's fun. And this, I got some of these with my last IKEA order. I actually meant to order like 6 of these because I think they're $1 and forgot. So I only got 1. Some pot holders for the oven. What's this? Oh. Is this a set or just one? I think it's 2. These are cutting boards, nice and flexible, lightweight. Perfect. Some tea towels or dish towels for drying stuff. Fun. There's 4 different ones. Last but not least, this is so cute. A cute little set of pans. 3 little pans. Yeah. There you go. These are the dimensions. Look at it. So cute. So just in case I do need to cook in here. All right. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching.